In this video, we will import a large inventory and look at the final product to see if we have to make any fixes. So we go to Setup, Import Export, Excel Template, and I have saved a template for this import, Novelties, so it will load the spreadsheet for me. Very quickly, in Excel the spreadsheet looks like this. It has departments in the columns, it has vendors, and we will be importing all that information in. I'll save and close that and start the import. We can see as the products are being imported, the actual data is transferred to ACE, and I've noticed that we have the same company there twice with the wrong name, Encore and Encore Inc. So we'll have to fix that later on because the system will actually create two Encore companies. We'll look at that later on, and also some of the departments are not 100%, so let's have a look at that. The inventory has been imported, and I'll show you that in a second, but first let's go to defaults and take care of the departments. So if you look at the departments, some of the departments came from the previous import, but I know books should not be there, so we want to delete books. We cannot delete the parent, so let's go here and hit delete. And it realizes there are some products within the department, and it asks me to transfer them to a different department. So I'll click yes and transfer it to Novelties. Let's do that for the rest of the departments that don't fit. Once we've finished deleting the departments in books, there's nothing in it anymore, so it will allow me to delete it without any problem. And the same thing for the parent department. Cookware and cutlery are fine. Toys we want to move. And it has the same company that was misspelled in the spreadsheet here, so let's delete that and move it all to Novelties. For Novelties, we don't need the same subdepartment and parent department, so let's delete the subdepartment and move all products to Novelties. It only took us about 3 to 4 minutes to clean up all the departments. The first 4 and the last one were from a previous import, and we've cleaned up the departments. Now let me just fix the vendor as well. I'm going to go to Operations, Inventory, and Inventory Worksheet. If I look at the vendors here, these are all the vendors we have imported, and the one that I don't like is Encore because it should be Encore Inc. So what we'll do is I'm going to select Encore and then hit enter to find, and it will load all the products which have Encore as their vendor. I'll highlight all of the products and transfer them to the proper vendor, which is Encore Inc. I'll use the highlight and change button and change the vendor to Encore Inc. And that's it. Press change now. All of these products have now become members of Encore Inc. Now I'm going to save it, and before I quit, just to show you, I'll press clear all and then select Encore as the vendor. By the way, the vendor is still there, I have to delete it separately. But if I press enter, no products belong to that vendor. If I select vendor Encore Inc. and press enter, there's 191 products instead of 100, and they're all members of Encore Inc. So we have imported the database, fixed the departments, and fixed the vendors, and we're ready to start selling. Thank you.